So my first degree was very much selected to support my passion for sport. Hello, I'm Chrissy Douglas. I'm visiting professor in social sciences at Heriot-Watt University. I'm supporting IDRIC's Equalities Champion, Professor Dame Heather McGregor, deliver one of IDRIC's equality, diversity and inclusion strategies, which is this video project, You Can't Be What You Can't See, which is aiming to encourage and support students, school children, particularly those from underrepresented backgrounds, to consider careers in decarbonisation. My parents didn't go to university, and so I never really thought about college or university as a possibility. But my mum, when I was early teenage years, did go to technical college, and she studied food technology. This experience of her pursuing education as an adult took the pressure off me as an 18-year-old, not knowing what I wanted to do, and I'm very grateful to her for that. So my first degree was very much selected to support my passion for sport, and I'd always imagined I would specialise in sport, but I became fascinated with different aspects of anatomy and physiology and science, and ended up working with a medical journal. And it was then that I started noticing that not everybody was represented in the workforce. Not everyone was represented in research. Not everyone benefited from research. And I returned to university to study the role of film in addressing inequalities. Throughout this project, we've been sent the most amazing questions from school children. This particular question is, what does decarbonisation mean? So what decarbonisation means to me is a society-wide commitment to all get to net zero in our lives. We need to question what sort of transportation we use, what we eat, how we heat our homes. And it doesn't matter what we do in our future, what roles we may take, what jobs we may take on. Every one of us needs to act, and we need to act now. A month before I was due to start my role at Heriot-Watt and at IDRIC, I was diagnosed with particularly high-grade cancer. And I mean, this was absolutely devastating on a personal level. But also at the time, I remember thinking, I was really looking forward to doing this project. It's something that I care passionately about. And I was so grateful to have in IDRIC's Equalities Champion, Heather McGregor, someone who lives their values. And when I told her, her first response was, well, we'll support you. And we've had to find workarounds. But it's just been a great example of IDRIC's commitment to inclusion, that they've supported me to be involved at every stage of this project over the past couple of years.